Do you love plants but don't have time to go to a nursery for buying them? Me too. Few months back, I bought some plant cuttings online and you can see that they have grown into really big plants. So today I am going to purchase few more plant cuttings from the same seller and I thought that I'll share the details with you all. So this is the website I was talking about, Himadri Aquatics. So they are from Alappuzha district in Kerala. And you can see they sell varieties of products, not only aquatic plants but also aquarium and accessories like fishes, fish foods and all. So if you are considering plants only, they sell floating plants, terrarium plants, indoor plants and all. So today I am going to order few money plant varieties and some philodendron and some hanging plants also. So let me show you the price range of the products that they are selling. So as you can see, they sell plants at rupees 35, rupees 60 and all. So if I sort the price from low to high, you can see that the starting price is rupees 8 for wandering Jew and rupees 40 and rupees 16. So from my personal experience, when I ordered plants before, they have sent really good healthy plants and the cutting was pretty large. So you can order as many plant cuttings as you want and you can either propagate them in water or you can directly place them in soil. So let me add all the plants to the cart and show you the final price. So I have added 7 different plant varieties and you can see that the price is just $2.99 and with courier fee it is just $3.79. Once they deliver the product, I will show you the actual size of the plant, also if the plants are healthy or not. So after the wait of one long week, my package has arrived and packaging was really good. Each plant is separately packed in a plastic cover and I don't know if it is visible or not, the plastic cover contains some moisture content. So all the plants are in a very healthy condition and let me show you one by one. So this is philodendron micans and this is Chinese money plant or you can say that pennywort, and they have kept it in a plastic pot with a sponge and the sponge is really wet. So let me unpack all these plant cuttings from the plastic cover and show you the actual size. Two plant cuttings were arrived in soil, that is dischidia and string of nickels. So I immediately transferred it into a pot. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.